Hi guys, it's Kris. I am back, and and my friend Jen. I don't know how you had no pain because I'm like dying here. They were gonna go into 4 separate areas to take out the 4 wires, but I have absolutely no idea why they changed their mind, but. They went through one. They made a... So I have basically the one from the bypass and then carried it up here for the wires. Yeah, I'm a little... It is actually like 4 o'clock in the morning, something like that. I got up at 1. I haven't been able to sleep since I had it done. I don't know why. But, no, I have a few things that I got in that I, since I was already up, I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I should say welcome to my returning subscribers. Thank you. And hello to our new subscribers. Thank you. Hopefully we'll get over this now and you'll see how it goes. Alright guys, this came in, I'm not really sure why. Let me get this out of the way. But this came in from BoxyCharm. I mean, not like Ipsy, it was BoxyCharm. It is a mini ceramic curling iron with a cool tip. It's this right here. Let's see. My hair is right. You can see. I mean, actually, if you've been here for a while, you've seen it curly. Well, this is straight. I believe it's the shampoo that I'm using, but I would recommend it because it's actually working. The back of my head is already getting fuller, which is amazing to me. And the other thing that came from BoxyCharm is this. Let's see if you can... it's Moda. It says Groovy Glam Tie-Dye. So, don't be surprised if I keep these, but this might go in the giveaway. I mean, I don't know much about it other than it's a mini ceramic curling iron. So we'll see. Okay, and then let me put that down there. Oh, on my eyes is Sorry, We're Dead by Wicked Sisters. I just love them. I always go to their site and like hopefully they've got new stuff. But yeah, this is Sorry We're Dead. Good palette. I like it. Okay. Then we have let me get it over here. I think since I bought it, I'm pretty sure I can show it on the video. If you've seen the things that it was created by a 70-year-old woman because she was just uncomfortable, and I went ahead. I hope they fit, but I went ahead and got. Let's see. I got 2, which. Hopefully they fit, but they look comfortable. And that was the main thing. She was having problems with comfort. Okay, then I have an order from Urban Decay that came in. I can't even show you. I have a huge amount of stuff that came in from Walmart. It's all to start putting together my office, or my filming place that's going to go in there. This I think was a pick a sample. This is actually Urban Decay 24/7 Zero. This is, I mean, what they usually give. It's black. It's nice though, because it's a bigger sample. I'm putting this into the box, which, by the way, it's almost full. Anyhow, alright. Then we have this. It's called 24/7 Inks. If you can see this. I know the lighting is not that good right here, but I can't do anything about it. There's a huge box on top of another box. Both right here. I don't know what they are, but as you might guess, I'm not allowed to lift anything over 5 pounds. I can't. Yeah. So, alright. Okay, it is. What color did I get? Binge. This is what it looks like. They have the thing here, and it shows. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. This is the color that it is. Let me go ahead and oh, this is pretty. It is very pretty. I hope you can see it. It's a blue color, maybe. I didn't even know. I thought I was ordering a just a regular pencil. I didn't realize I was over in this section, but that's okay. I am trying to learn, so alright. And then we have a palette. We have Urban Decay Metal Mania. What's this one? This is the one that just came out. Let's see. You can tell when, like, the economy's going down when these don't sell out. Like, remember, it used to be like you get in line. If you didn't get it fast enough, this would be on certain ones. Then you'd have to wait until they got more in. But it's not like that anymore. Alright, it's a nice case. You know, they've really upped it on their cases. Alright, this is beautiful. Let's see. Yeah. Of course, it's got the I never use these. Yeah, and this is it. This is I think it's very, very pretty. Yeah, I think it's gonna make a good eye look. Okay, let's see. I'll have to fit that in a minute. Alright, I think that is all, other than, I mean, I've been getting boxes from Walmart every day from FedEx, which I did not choose FedEx. I guess my son is with Amazon Prime, so that might have something to do with it. I don't know. But we have just lots and lots of stuff that I'm going to be able to put my things in. Anyhow, well, that's it for today, guys. You know, I as I told you, I'm not feeling all that great. I don't even know, it's like my chest right here really super hurts bad, where he went in again, or made the, so, and this not being able to sleep is really getting to me, so, yeah, anyway, guys, wherever you are, I hope you're well. Take care, stay safe, please, guys. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. By the way, thank you guys for all your wishes for my health. I need that right now, because I still have one more major surgery to get rid of this hernia in my stomach. People might look at that and either think I'm pregnant or just overweight. My entire stomach is, you know, pooching out because the area that was fixed the last time they went in from my colon, it has ruptured, and then there's another one, so I'm walking around with, yeah. Okay, guys, again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell so you know you'll be notified of all my future videos, and give me a like. It would really help. Okay, guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.